Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change 5 different privacy settings, and these you need to change on your iPhone immediately. It will stop tracking, listening to your voice, seeing your face. It's going to do a lot of different things for your privacy, so let's jump into number 1. The first thing we're going to look at is see which apps have the ability to track you. So grab your phone, click on Settings. From here, click on Privacy and Security. Once you get to Privacy and Security, I want you to click right up top on Tracking. From here, you can turn this feature off, but this is what will allow apps to request to track you. I recommend that you turn this one off. Number 2 has to do with your microphone. We want to know who's listening, when they're listening, why they're listening. So you're going to decide who you're going to allow to listen. Grab your phone. Click on Settings. From here, once again, we're going to click on Privacy and Security. And this time we're going to scroll down and I want you to click on Microphone. These are all of the apps that have access to your microphone. Choose which ones you want to have access by having them green, or to turn them off, just click there and it'll shut that app off. Number 3 has to do with your camera. This is critical. We don't want people to be able to look through our camera. So we're going to change just a few settings there as well. Grab your phone. Click on Settings. Once again, we're back in Privacy and Security. From here, I want you to scroll down until you get to Camera. Click on Camera, and these are all of the apps that have access to your camera. I would go through those individually and decide whether you want these apps to have that access. Hey, if you like this video so far, you're going to love the video above me. It will help you with even more iPhone settings. This one strikes a chord with a lot of people, number 4, and that is location tracking. You want to know who has access to your location and which apps or what websites or who you want to share it with. So grab your phone. Click on Settings. From here, Privacy and Security. And from here, what we're going to look at is location. So we're going to click on Location Services up top. And from here, right in the middle, share my location. Decide what you want turned on. I like to find my iPhone on because then if I lose my iPhone, I can find it, but I do not want my location turned on or my location shared, even from family and friends. But that's a decision that you have to make. Number 5. I'm going to show you how to turn on a notification that will show you when something is accessing your location. This one is really important because it'll give you a visible notification right when it's happening. Let's jump into it. Okay, click on Settings. From here, click on Privacy and Security. Up top, Location Services, click there. And then what I want you to do is I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom. From here, click on System Services. And then from here, scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure that status bar icon is on. And then you're going to see that purple arrow that'll indicate that something is using your location. And then when you go back up through this list right here, it will show you who is using your location. Hey, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Also, check out this video playlist here. It'll make you an expert with your iPhone in no time at all.